वेलकम टू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आइए देखते हैं एक क्वेश्चन जेईई मेन 2026 का। एफ फंक्शन गिवन है R2 0 टू इन्फिनिटी वे ट्वाइस डिफरेंशियल फंक्शन राइट, विच मीन्स उसको दो बार डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं होगा वो। इन विच गिवन F3 इक्वल टू 18, दिस वन वैल्यू गिवन F'3 एंड F'3 गिवन, गॉट इट, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लिमिट ऑफ दिस वन. So as we know, whenever limit x tend to a fx power gx, whenever function power function, and this limit of the form 1 power infinity, which means when x going towards a, fx going towards 1 and gx going towards this one, fx going towards 1 and gx going towards infinity. So whenever limit x tend to a, this complete function going to 1 power infinity, then there is fixed rule, fixed formula, which formula is what? This limit L, this limit is equal to that formula limit e power limit x tend to a fx minus 1 at the place of fx minus 1 into gx. This power comes under multiplication. Got it? Just so I solve करते हैं. And one more thing, limit x tend to a, log of fx, this is equal to limit, this is equal to log of e limit x tend to a fx, which means अगर कोई भी लॉग के प्लेस पे कोई फंक्शन हो, लॉग के कोई प्लेस पे कोई कॉन्टिन्यूस फंक्शन होना चाहिए ना. अगर कोई कॉन्टिन्यूस फंक्शन है तो लिमिट को एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं, विच मीन्स लिमिट इनसाइड जा सकती है और फंक्शन आउटसाइड हो सकता है, राइट, विच मीन्स लिमिट अंदर कर देंगे, बट दिस फंक्शन शुड बी कॉन्टिन्यूस. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? बाय यूजिंग दिस रूल, दिस लिमिट इज इक्वल टू log of the given question we can write like limit of x tend to 1 f of 2 plus x upon f3 power 18 divided by x minus 1 whole square. And when x going towards here, when x going towards 1, this function going where? 2 plus 1, when x tends to 1, x equal to 1, so 2 plus 1 3, f3 upon f3 1 and 1 minus 1 0, which means 1 and 1 upon 18 upon 0 is what? Infinity. So whenever x going towards 1, this function going towards 1 power infinity, which means this rule is applicable here. So according to this rule, and log is outside, don't forget about log. According to this rule, this limit is equal to this one, right? So just apply, which is equal to log e. Now this limit is equal to what? e power limit x tend to 1 f2 plus x upon f3 minus 1 into 18 upon x minus 1 whole square. This is equal to log base e whole square. This 18 cancel out. So this is equal to limit L equal to log base e. This is equal to log base e towards 1. f2 plus 1 is what? f3. When x going towards 1, f2 plus x is f3 minus f3, this is 0, and 1 minus 1 0, which means this complete function is 0 by 0 form. And we know when function of the form 0 by 0, we can apply L'Hopital. Just apply in this one L'Hopital rule. Okay, L'Hopital means differentiate. So f dash 2 plus x minus f dash 3 divided by 2 of x minus 1. Now f dash 3 given what? F dash 3 equal to 0. F dash 3 equal to 0, which means this is equal to log base e power limit x tends to 1 f dash 2 plus x minus 0 upon 2 of x minus 1, and again when x tends to 1, x minus 1 tends to again 0, which means, and this one f dash 3 also what? Here simply we can see when x tends to 1, f dash 2 plus 1, f dash 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 means f dash 3, and f dash 3 already given what? 0, which means 0 minus 0 upon 0, again 0 by 0 form, again what? 0 by 0 form, which means again we can apply L'Hopital. So again after applying L'Hopital we are getting what? Log base e power limit x tends to 1 f, again differentiate, f double dash 2 plus x divided by 2, differentiation of 2x minus 1 is 2 is constant, x minus 1 differentiation is 2, right? Now we can substitute. So log base e power limit x tends to 1 2 plus 1 f double dash 3 divided by 2, f double dash 3 is what already given? 4, so 4 upon 2 log base e power limit x tends to 1 4 upon 2, this is 2 and constant function, no change limit, right? So this is equal to what? Log base e square, and we know log and this one e cancel out, inverse of each other, so answer is what? 2. Got it? Answer is 2, which means which option is correct? D. Thank you.